Hey friends, it's your brother Tomas here, and it is Wednesday, August 2nd, 2023. Um, just wanted to make a quick update video from the one I made about a year ago, Tiny House Progress. You can see here that I have finished the exterior of this building. I did that about 1 year ago now. More or less, got it finished, and it's got siding and paint on it now, which is great. The interior of the building is more or less how it looked in my previous video, so I'm not going to go inside for now. Hopefully I'll have something else to show on that front. Haven't been motivated to just thrash out the Teahouse this summer so much, but there it is. This is the dark side exposure. Sun's going down right now. Walk into the grass again and see what it looks like on this side. Yeah, so exterior complete. Another thing I've put time and effort into this summer is keeping these chickens. They're about 10 weeks old now. They were hatched on May 17th, and I had a brooder system set up for them in the basement, and then brought them outside. And they live in this A-frame coop, which I built out of pressure treated, mostly 2x2s, and then it's got 1x6s for the bottom rails. They've got a waterer and a feeder inside the coop. It's sided with plexiglass panels, which are removable. So you can see on this section I've got it open for ventilation. Oh, there's a commotion here. Maybe the wind has got them riled. So that's their pop door that I let them in and out of. And they've been in this enclosed run for, I believe it's still less than a week. Just brought them out here not too long ago. This fence is what's called poultry net by Premier One Supplies, and I've got a Gallagher S20 solar powered energizer that I got at Fleet Farm, and that will bring this fence up to about 5,000 volts at night, so I haven't gotten a hard blast from it myself, but it should deter predators. So there you have it. That's the chicken project up to this point.